In the heart of a vibrant village nestled between the rolling honor hills, three best friends, Lilian, a curious inventor, Brandon, a brave explorer, and Hilary, the kind animal whisperer, loved spending their days adventuring together. They were inseparable, always solving little mysteries around the village or helping neighbors in need. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the forest near their favorite giant oak tree, Brandon's sharp eyes spotted something unusual. "Hey, look! There's something shiny buried under the roots," he exclaimed. The three friends worked together, digging carefully until they unearthed a small wooden box with intricate carvings of stars and vines. Inside, they found a glowing bracelet with shimmering beads that seemed to hum softly. An inscription along the bracelet's edge read, "Friendship lights the darkest paths." "What do you think it means?" Lilian asked, her mind already racing with ideas. "It sounds like a riddle," Brandon said, examining the bracelet. Hilary, who had a knack for understanding emotions, said, "Maybe it's about sticking together." "Whatever it is, it feels special." They decided to take turns wearing the bracelet. When Lilian put it on, her usual inventions seemed to come alive. Her tiny bird-shaped drone began singing and flapping its wings for the first time. When Brandon wore it, he suddenly noticed paths in the forest they had never seen before, as if the bracelet was guiding him. When Hilary tried it, animals in the forest began speaking softly to her, sharing secrets they had never revealed before. Excited but puzzled, they realized the bracelet wasn't ordinary. It had magical powers tied to their strengths. But the real test of their friendship came the following night. A strange darkness crept into the village, dimming the stars and muffling the joyful laughter of its people. Plants wilted, animals hid, and an eerie chill filled the air. That night, a shadowy figure appeared in the village square, whispering fears and doubts into everyone's minds. The three friends gathered at their secret clubhouse, determined to find a way to save their village. "It has to be the bracelet," Brandon said. "It's like it was waiting for us to find it." "But how do we use it against something as big as this shadow?" Lilian asked, worried. Hilary nodded. "We'll need to work together. The bracelet only glows when we believe in each other." Following the glowing bracelet, the friends ventured deep into the forest. Brandon led the way, guided by new glowing paths the bracelet revealed. Lilian created clever tools from branches and vines to help them cross obstacles like rivers and steep cliffs. Hilary used her gift to comfort scared animals, who in turn helped the group by revealing hidden shortcuts. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!